Hi everyone, I'm Saradi. I'm studying third year BTech Artificial Intelligence and Data Science in Karnataka University. Today we saw about the Deep Learning Laboratory from experiment number one. The project is multi-class classification. It classify about the handwritten digit recognition using deep learning. In this program, we saw in the 10 output categories. This is a multi-class classification problem. First, we have to import importing the libraries. First, importing TensorFlow and Keras for building the neural network, and after importing MNIST datasets directly from Keras, and after using Matplotlib for visualization or anything, and after we have to load the datasets Xtrain, Ytrain, Xtest, Ytest, MNIST dot load test. First, we have to the data sets is automatically split into training data and testing data. In training data, I have the 60,000 images and testing data, I have the 10,000 images. Each image is 28 into 28 pixels for a cycle value from 0 to 255. And after data normalization is the x test equal to x train divided by 255.0. It is about that we divide all pixel value by 255 to normalize them between 0 and 1. Normalization helps the model train faster and to perform better. And after the building the neural network, that is build the model. The building the neural network is the flattened layer, dense layer, output layer. In flattened layer, convert the 28 into 28 image into a 1D vector 784 values so it can be processed by dense layer. And after the dense layer, 128 neuron RELU, a fully connected layer with 128 neuron. RELU means a rectified linear unit. It is activation, introduce non-linearity and help the neural learn complex pattern. And output layer, 10 neuron softmax. It contains 10 neurons, one for each digit, 0 to 9. Softmax activation converts raw output into probabilities that sum to 1, so the model can predict the most likely class. And after the compile and the training the model. In compile and training the model, first optimizer and the last function and the metrics. In optimizer, adjust the learning rates automatically for faster conversions. And then last function, sparse categorical cross and we have to use to multi-class classification. In labs, labels are integer, not one hot encoder. And after metrics accuracy to measure how many predictions are correct. And we train the model for 5 approaches, meaning the networks is the entire data set 5 times, and the validation data helps us to test the accuracy for after each approach. The train process adjusts weight to minimize the loss function, and we saw the output and the evolution. And the output of evolution approach 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 4 by 5, 5 by 5. It is the callback history at uh, from the multi-class classification. Thank you.